to show you this puzzle from AliExpress. So let's open it. Oh, looks quite nice. The packaging is high quality. I'm surprised. I thought it's just something very cheap. Wow, the box is nice. Oh, okay, it looks like a packaging of a mobile phone. So that's what all in the box. Some cables. This one is USB-A, USB-C, and the next one is USB-C, USB-C. Okay, and this is for the other voltage. So there are 8 different types. So basically I can change for my device accordingly. Okay, let's have a look in the device. It's quite heavy. Okay, the material feels quite nice. I hope it won't become sticky after a while. So maybe there are some data you are interested on this one. Okay, there's a button. It's now blue. I don't know what does that mean. And it looks like you can charge your phone wirelessly on the power bank. Here is a instruction. I have to go to it. I also want to show you how heavy it is, because that's important if you want to carry it. It's about 500 grams. According to the instruction, I have to hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it on, then it starts flashing. Okay, in order to turn to next voltage, I have to press it now. Now you can see it's showing the next one, and I can circle it around 24 and back to 12. I want to use the 24. Now I leave it. So as soon as it stops blinking, then I can press the button. It will stay in the same voltage. That's good. Okay, now it's showing 24 volt here. This is the connector to my twinkly light. So plug that in. Look, it's working. So my light is powered by battery now. Now my light is portable. I can carry it to anywhere I want. For charging the power bank, there are 2 inputs. One is USB-C and that one is for the power adapter. So what I've got, this one is using the USB, and I'm going to use the USB cable with USB-C on the other side. Plug that in. It goes to the USB-C here as input. Now I'm going to charge it. Now you can see half of the circle is on, 2 lights are on, 1 is blinking, and that means it's a half charge, and it's blinking means it's charging. When it's fully charged, it should be a full circle, all the lights are on. One more thing I want to try is my floating globe. I've created a video long time ago. This one is using 15 volt, and I don't have 15 volt on my power bank. It's 12 or 16.5, so let me try 12 first. Okay, plug that in. See whether I can get it work. Okay, I got it floating now. So the problem was I put the book on top of the power bank, which has an induction charger here, so that's not a good idea. Now I can carry this to show the trick anywhere I want. So I'm quite happy with the power bank. It's useful. It's not the cheapest one, but to be honest, the quality surprised me, and the packaging is very nice as well, although it's not that important. I'm very happy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!